And you know who I compare that to? I hate to say this, but a special woman. I could be a stupid person, say, no, we don't want a free, very expensive airplane. I would never be one to turn down that kind of an offer. So I think it's a great gesture from Qatar. 50 to 80 to 90%. Big Pharma will either abide by this principle. We're very disappointed that it's taken Boeing so long to build a new Air Force One. You know, we have an Air Force One that's 40 years old. You look at some of the Arab countries and the planes they have parked alongside of the United States of America plane. It's like from a different planet.